2007 Toyota 4Runner, still working on it. The Sport Edition, 4-wheel drive. Working on the front differential pinion seal. Got the old one out. Here's the new one. Like I said in the previous video, I was thinking about using a brass drift punch with a hammer, and I changed my mind. I have this Carlisle 2-inch socket, and it actually fits the outer lip really nicely, and it'll get around the pinion and allow me to hammer this in. So this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to get a little grease on this little tiny spring right here on the inside and get it hammered in. Just a quick update, guys. Hope you guys are having a great Sunday, and I'll see you guys next.